So welcome to number 63 St Germain Street here in Farnworth. Lovely spot. As we see, we're basking in the sunlight. The rear of the property is southeast facing, so we get a lot of sun at the back there, which is great. The property is located close to Long Causeway and therefore close to St Peter's Way, giving us good access into Manchester. Also to the M62, takes us towards Bury and of course Winefield. But again, through Long Causeway, we've got good access through to Walkden and Swinton as well. Let's go in and take a look at this super house. Stepping foot through the vestibule, welcome into 63 St Germain Street. So here we are in the lounge, really good sized lounge. You can tell by the size of that settee. We've got that double glazed window to the front, letting in plenty of natural light. We turn around and see what a super size this lounge is. So from the lounge, we'll walk through and we have a wee bit of an inner hallway with stairs which lead to the first floor accommodation. We'll have a look at that later. But the kitchen diner, again, super size. We've got a range of fitted wall and base units with extractor fan, electric hob and oven, space for that fridge freezer, plenty of room for a table. We have a stainless steel sink there with a double glazed window looking out onto the yard to the back, and always handy under stairs storage. Also to the ground floor, we've got an inner hallway here with the door which leads to the rear yard, but we've also got a utility area which is really handy. So we've got space for a washing machine there, and I'm sure there's space there for a dryer and other white goods if needed. And we've got the double glazed window there to the side, letting in the light. Okay, before we go outside, we'll step through the kitchen and we'll go and have a look at the first floor accommodation. So here we are on the first floor landing. So we've got two good sized bedrooms here. First bedroom, really large double room, as we can see. Plenty of light coming in from that window there. Loads of space for a large double bed, and we've got space for drawers and space for wardrobes there. Loads of room when we walk around the bed here. Really is a super sized room this. From here we'll walk back out onto the landing and into the second bedroom. Currently, as you can see, used as a bit of a walk-in wardrobe really. There's loads of room in here. Easily get a single bed, possibly a double bed in here with plenty of space for wardrobes. You've got the double glazed window there and lovely views. So just views onto woodland there. Really very nice. And finally on the first floor, we've got the bathroom, which again is a very good size. It's a 3-piece suite. So we've got the panel bath there with the electric shower above it, the WC, the pedestal sink. There's a wall-mounted Baxi boiler there as well. And again, you can see from the light reflecting through the window that it certainly does get the sun. That double glazed window facing the rear. Okay, let's go and have a look at the rear of the property. So here we are in the rear yard, basking in the sunlight. What I can tell you is the property is southeast rear facing, which is great. Nice yard here with the paving. We've got double gates there to the rear, and also a lovely seating area just there as well. And if we turn round, you can see the property there. Really is a beautiful home this. Now for any further information, and indeed to arrange a viewing, please contact our sales at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.